Hey, Flutter enthusiasts, welcome back to Widget Wisdom. Till now, in our Flutter series we have designed many widgets. But probably you have asked this question to yourself that, testing the visual aspects of your app's UI presents a unique challenge. Fear not, as today, we'll explore powerful testing techniques, including a novel one that you might not be familiar with. So, buckle up for a journey into the world of UI testing in Flutter. The basic pattern of writing tests involves calling the code you want to test, and running additional code to verify that the original code behaved as expected. Like this code. This approach is effective for many scenarios, especially when dealing with unit tests for functions that perform specific operations. Testing the visual appearance of a UI element programmatically is more challenging. Let's enter in the world of golden tests, a powerful pattern in Flutter development. Golden tests involve caching image files for different parts of our UI, re-rendering those elements, and then comparing them against the cached images pixel by pixel. So now let's move to our IDE, and let's implement golden tests. And one more thing, if you want the code or written tutorial, then I'll provide the link in the description. So you can find all the code and its explanation there. And if you like these videos, then please support me at Patreon, so that I can continue making these videos. So let's continue. So in my main.dart file, I'm having this my widget. And this widget is getting called by my app. Now inside this my widget, I'm creating a container, which will have height and width of 100. And assign it some color. Now that's it for our UI code. Now let's move to this widget_test.dart file. This file is breathing inside this tests folder. Now from here remove all these code, except our main function. So now, we need to write test case for our my widget. So here inside this main function we will make use of test widgets. So you may ask, what is test widgets? So in Flutter, test widgets is a function provided by the Flutter test package that allows us to write widget tests. Now inside test widgets needs two parameters. First is description. So here provide the description, and here I'm adding golden test example. And the second parameter is widget tester callback. Inside this callback write widget tester parameter. And it is a future callback, so write here async and then add curly braces. Now write await, and use this widget tester and call pump widget method. And pump widget method is used to build the UI component. And here add my widget class. Now here write expect later. And inside it we need to find our widget by its type. So here write find.by type, and inside it write the type of your widget. So here our widget type is my widget, so write the same thing here. And now we want to add the matcher here. So in this case we need to match this file with our golden tests file. So here write matches golden file, and inside it write the image name, and inside it I'm writing my widget.png. So now when we run our this test, then it will match your widget's every pixel to this newly created my widget png. So now when you run this test, it will show the exception that its matcher, my widget.png, is not found. So for creating this png, open the terminal and then write this command, it will generate our image. Now when you run this code it outputs, all tests pass. So now when you open your test folder here you will find this, my widget.png image. So here now when you run this program it will state that all tests passed. So that was it for this video. If you like this video, then please, like, share and subscribe with your fellow coders. Thank you. And have a good day.